Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change ownership of Instagram account. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just open up our Instagram, okay? And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just click on your profile icon and you're gonna click the three lines at the top right, okay? And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to your settings. Okay, if you are using iOS or if you are using Android, you're gonna just go ahead to your account. Okay, and here you will see the first option, which is personal information. Okay, you're gonna see email, phone number, and the gender. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the email right here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and cancel this email, and I'm gonna just add a new email. So let's say I'm gonna add this one, and after I added this email, I'm gonna just hit done. Now in this way we changed our email. All we gotta do is next we're gonna just verify that this is our new email. So right here it says check your email. We're gonna just go ahead to our Gmail right here and verify that this is our account. Okay, so as you can see right here, confirm that this is your email. So we're gonna just confirm. And as you can see right here, after we click the confirm button, you're gonna see that we confirmed our account, or sorry, we confirmed that this is our new email on Instagram. In this way you changed the ownership of that account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.